Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start.
To do this trend, first click the link given in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now convert the language to English. You have to use Google Chrome to get this feature. Now start playing the quiz and answer all the questions. I will play randomly to show you. It sometimes shows in a Russian language. If you get the same problem, first head back to Russian language, then click on English. Now, after answering all the questions, click on Next. Now take a screenshot of this page. After this, now open any editing application. I use CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your one photo and a screenshot. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust photo and screenshot to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photo to this time duration. Now add your text. Now apply text layer till the end of first photo. Now your video is ready. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.